gozaimasu! So good morning guys! Today is election day. Yeah, it's May 9th, but it's just so sad that I cannot vote because I was registered in Japan. Yeah, I need to go to I don't need to go to Osaka, but yeah, I am registered at the Osaka consulate. Yeah, it was kind of breezy outside this morning. Actually, everyone woke up like around 6 in the morning. So super excited with the election. And I'm so sorry for this dang face. Yeah, I don't know. I have really been breaking out like crazy here. Oh my gosh, but no biggies. I don't care. I don't give a damn. So yeah, I am alone. Not really alone, but I'm alone downstairs because the kids are still sleeping and my husband is doing something. Yeah, he's DIY something. So yeah, I'm really excited to vote because I'm so excited for this one, but unfortunately I cannot vote. I'm alone. What am I gonna do? I haven't eaten breakfast yet. We haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I think I'm going to make coffee or something. It's so quiet, guys. I know, it's so quiet. So I think I will just make coffee, and of course for me, I want coffee because I like coffee. I'm a coffee addict, and I think my husband is going to drink a chocolate drink with coffee or something. Yeah. Oh gosh. 2:30. What about you guys? Who are you going to vote for president? Yeah, in this 2016 presidency election, who are you going to vote? Are you going to vote for? But for me, my family, and my friends, we are solid. Do 30. Yeah, a lot of promotion in this video. I don't know why. It's so hot. Oh my gosh, I need to tie my hair back, I guess, because it's so freaking hot. And this pimple is really killing me. Oh no. Yeah. So I'll just make coffee and I don't know. Maybe mom gonna eat. We have bread actually. We have bread, but I think I want to eat this one that we got from La Fortuna Bakery. It's a toasted bread. Oh gosh. And also this is my favorite. Yeah, my husband's La Fortuna's Mongo hopya. Yeah, hopya. Hi sweet. My gosh, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? So yeah, breakfast time. And of course I wanted to try this one. It's a Salvaro. It's been a while. It's been a long time since I've had this one. Yeah, let's have breakfast. Hey guys, so election day was over. It's over, but the counting was not yet finished. Yeah, it's not yet finished. Counting is not yet finished. And yeah, this is second day. Today is May 10, and we're going to SMC side because it's so hot. Yeah, we're going to SMC side with everybody, but my mother and father is not going with us. Hi Ben. So yeah, this is my face for today. I need to lock the door first. What a fail. Oh, mahangin ba sa labas? Wow. Oh no. Hi Ben. This is Ben. Ben. Hey, huh? No. So it's almost 5 p.m. now and oh my gosh, ba. Hi ba. Hi Dai. How is our kuto going on? So we're heading to SMC side. It only takes like, I don't know, 15 minutes to get there. 15 minutes, yeah, to get there. And what are we doing at SMC side, driver?
No,
Yeah, I have it.
Stop ang dito ba?
So Baba was
Ang
asking
dito ba?
why this traffic light, stop traffic light is green and red. I know, maybe that's just a
Turn left is stop.
okay.
Sometimes
Let's ask the expert.
sometimes people don't understand what it means. So the pointed symbol, now the red color, it describes
No,
the pointed
this
symbol.
one.
Huh?
This one. That's what she is asking.
That's a girl and a boy. Girl and a boy.
Oh man.
Whatever.
Is it answered ba? Did Papa answer your question? No. No. Moikay Papa, moikay Nihongo de.
Wakaranay this kiddo.
So we are near now at Gaisano Capital, SRP. Yeah. And a lot of tricycle driver. Hello. Yeah, so we're heading to SMC side. It's not traffic today, but the other side, I think it's a little traffic, but no, the road is very smooth today. Yeah, so yay! We're almost there. So this is the place, guys, where Duterte had his rally. Yeah, there are a lot of people participated in that rally, but we did not went to the rally because there are a lot of people. Yeah. Ooh, look at the sea. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. And there is SM. I can see it. I can see it. Yeah. What? What are you talking? So we are now at the parking, and I don't know if I'm going to be driving a car. I don't know if I can make the spiral round. It feels so scary. I know. Yeah. It feels so scary. I think I'll just park downstairs. Hello. So we are now here at SM Side. Hi ba? Aray. Hi ba? Yeah, we are going to go inside Watson. Yes. We are inside Watson and we are at the makeup section. A lot of makeup. This is Digital there. Yeah. Jordana and Sharon. So they are going to try this photo. Ba, try to get inside, okay? now we are chilling. Let's go here. Wait, where is my SM card? Let me borrow. Hi, ba. Hi, Dai. I can see your butt. We're inside this guitar shop at SMC side, and we wanted to buy a new ukulele for Baba and Sashi. Let's just try this one because this one is a little cheaper. Yeah, but it's 1,400. So they have a lot of guitars and it's so pretty. It's okay. Let's just buy the cheaper one for now, okay?
No!
Try it, guys. Try it. Okay na. Sige, go. You go ahead.
Ayaw lang.
Kalimot taga.
Sige, go. Palayo doon, Papa.
Ay.
Unsa na?
Hindi ko makanta.
So we are done at the store. We bought our Yuki at this guitar center at SMC side.
Woohoo!
Everybody was so excited. What are you doing?
Back.
So next stop is where?
Medicine again.
Eat.
Oh, so we're going downstairs because Watson is downstairs, I think. Yeah, it's downstairs. Lower ground floor.
What are you really?
Huh? Ice cream time! Ice cream time! Let me see. Pakita, ice cream pa. Paada pa. Wow! Ako sunod. Why me? Mine! Ate! Ay. Yeah. What about you ba? Ikaw?
Mameka.
Later.
Wow. What about my pimple? It's gonna worsen my pimples. Ice cream.
Oh. Mm.
Ah.
Try
A
na.
whole new world. I'm the winner because I finished first my ice cream. And I think Baba is the second placer. Ate is never. Ew. A whole new world. Ayo. We're chilling here. We're chilling outside Ace Hardware. Yeah, chill. Oh, chill. Pag may time. Ew ba? What's wrong with your ice cream? You, Hayako ba? You finished that. Hayako te.
Pika ka horif.
So we are now here at Jollibee. Where is the logo? So we are having dinner, a very unhealthy dinner at Jollibee. Jollibee! Fries, palabok, which is already gone. Mine is this burger and Baba. Burger steak. Yay! Yay! You're the most unhealthy of all because you're only eating fries. What about you?
Not yet finished.
You're finished, oh?
No.
Oh, you finished my burger.
No, I don't like that.
We are now at the candy corner and I saw this one. It's been for like forever since I've had this one. Tootsie Roll and Obviously, the packaging has changed a lot, and I'm gonna buy 3 of that Tootsie Roll. Yeah. So it's time for us to go home now. It's already 8 in the evening. So we are out at SMC side. It's time to go home because it's already late. It's already 8 p.m. Yeah. Choo 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 baba. Ati. Dai baduday. So where are we parking? Wow, it's so beautiful there. My God, look at the view. No, you cannot see it, but it's so beautiful. So finally we are home and we got a couple of stuff from SM, and we also bought a ukulele for the kids, but we only bought 1 ukulele. They need to share that one. So yeah, we got this one from Goya. It's their double hazelnut spread. My kids like this one compared to the Nutella ones. Yeah. And also I got me some double mint because I like chewing this one. And what else? Oh yeah, I showed this to you guys that I also bought some Tootsie Rolls. I'm excited to eat this Tootsie Roll. And went to Watson's too, and yeah, I think I need to say goodnight now, guys, because we are going to watch a movie tonight. And yeah, I'm pretty much excited to see the movie. I think, what's the title of the movie, Sid? What's that? Yeah, we are going to watch Civil War. We rather want to watch it at home rather than going to the cinema, because I don't know what's with going to cinemas nowadays. I felt so sleepy every time I go there, so I rather wanted to watch it at home. So yeah, I need to say good night now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. I hope to see you on my next one, and I love you always, guys. Peace.